Hi guys, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito naman po ang kaibigan nyo si Jake. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-usapan po natin Philippine National Police or PNP allow po mag-rally po laban po sa korupsyon. Kung bago lang kayo sa without permit ha. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko at gusto niyo video na ito, paki-like lang po, share, and huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Sa nangyayari sa ating bayan, grabe na po ang korupsyon regarding po sa mga ghost flood control projects sa ating bansa. Maraming sektor na po, both private and government, no? Mga schools, particularly po ang UP ang nagsasagawa po ng peaceful, I repeat, peaceful na rally. Hindi naman po ito kailangan, no, ng permit. Pero dito, nagpalabas po ng direktiba ang Philippine National Police ngayong Lunes, no? Basahin natin, according sa Daily Guardian, the Philippine National Police or PNP on Monday said it will allow protest actions even without permits following Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla's directive to respect public sentiments over corruption issues linked to flood control projects. Actually, hindi naman kailangan na mag-ask ng permission kasi ito po ay isang malawakang rights ng tao na peaceful assembly. Basta wag lang kayo gugulo at ang inyong pakay sa inyong pag-rally ay tungkol po sa korupsyon at hindi po ng mga NPA or kung ano-ano pa dyan na illegal. At a press briefing, PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Brigadier General Randolph Tuanyo was asked whether demonstrations without permits would be permitted. Tuanyo noted that most of the groups that staged protests over the weekend did not secure permits. Kung matatandaan natin noong Friday at Saturday, majority na sumali sa mga kilos protesta ay halos walang permit. Ang kagandahan lang ng may permit specific kung sino-sino ang mga organizers, kung ilan or more or less ang mga members nila, he said. Dahil sa kautusan ng ating DILG, no, nagkamali dito siguro, John Vic Remulla, sa ating acting Chief PNP Police Lieutenant General Melencio Nartales Jr. na pakinggan ang sentimento ng bawat realista kaya pinayagan po ng PNP, he added. Tuanyo also said that PNP personnel will observe maximum tolerance during the demonstrations and will uphold the rule of law. The PNP calls on communities, local governments, and advocacy groups to continue this spirit of cooperation so that every voice can be heard in a climate of safety and respect, he said. Makipag-usap at makipag-dialogo tayo at mag-dispense immediately after kasi po ng permissive nga po ang batas, he added. Under Batas Pambansa bilang 880 or the Public Assembly Act of 1985, organizers are required to secure permit before holding public assembly. However, Section 12 allows authorities to dispense gatherings without permit, especially while Section 13 outlines violation clarifying that participants cannot be held criminally liable for attending a peaceful assembly. Basta wag lang po maggugulo. On September 11, Remulla directed police to be mindful of public grievances. We respond to everything with the same seriousness, pero siyempre kung may mga mass actions na gaya ng mass protest, we have to be sensitive to the grievances of the people, he said. Kailangan may outlet yan. The more you suppress them, the worse it gets. So hayaan na lang natin, walang tayong pipigilan dyan. But we also respect to be peaceful and non-aggressive, he added. Remulla reiterate that the government will not prevent peaceful assemblies but stress that authorities will act to stop violence and maintain order. A protest against corruption is scheduled at Luneta Park on September 21, Sunday. So klaro na to guys ha. Kung makilaho kayo sa mga rally kontra corruption, pwede to, wala nang permit, no? Kasi ngayon guys, napuno na po ang tao. Kailangan na natin ilabas ang ating sentimento, galit sa korupsyon. Maraming bilyon-bilyon na pera na pupunta lang po sa mga illegal na ghost projects at hindi bumabalik, no? sa ating mga tao, no? Baha, may namamatay every time may mga ulan, bagyo. Yun lang po guys. Please like, share, and huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Mahal ko kayo. Ito naman po kaibigan News Jake. Paalam guys. Thank you sa inyong pakikinig. See you in the next video. I love you all.